Um, Today I'm going to show you how to check your cabin air filter or replay. Your cabin air filter was inside your glove compartment. So you can open this one and you can push it inside, and then these are coming out. Alright, so when you're coming out, your filter's inside here. So you just push. They have a two level on each side. Push in, and now coming out. There you go. So it's coming out, and your filter's all the way down here. Okay. Okay, yeah, this one quite really dirty. He didn't change it for a while. I got the new one. I got this off Walmart's. Fresh Breeze. The part number is CF11182. But it's the same side. Yeah, same side. Yeah. So this is the Honda Civic hatchback 2017. Oh, up. Okay, so make sure the arrows go up, so you put it this way. It'll fit right there, perfect. Okay, and then you just put these up back in. All you do is just push it, and they'll lock it, and they won't drop in or open when you're driving. So now we can put the glove compartment back. That's it. See the clear. So put all these, and that's it. All right. Thank you for watching. Right.